raise your hand. I'll understand. If there's any question, then only ask the questions. Okay. And now don't write okay. Okay, just raise your hand. Okay. Got it. Okay. So you can see Vedic maths. Okay. Okay. Now before I start with Vedic maths, let me tell you, mathematics is a very important subject for all your entrance tests. And Vedic maths, why is it called Vedic? Because a lot of maths has been derived from actual Vedas. Okay. So, and Vedic maths is the technique of doing speed calculations. Now, why is speed calculations important? You're not going to get calculator in all of your exams. Okay. So we might have to calculate a little faster than we usually do. I see a lot of people who are from commerce background, science background. You have a habit of using your calculators, right? We don't have to use those calculators. That's why we have to do speed calculations. Okay. Now, before I start with speed calculations, there are certain things that I want to ask from you. How many tables do you remember? You can put it in the question. How many tables do you remember? If I ask you the table of maybe 13, will you be able to answer? Or maybe table of 22, 23, will you be able to answer? Mehak till 12, Sameep till 13, till 13, till 12, Priyanshu. Okay, till 15, Hardik, Jasnoor till 12. So most of you, okay, Chaitanya 15. Most of you are stuck at either 12 or 13, right? I get it. There's a lot of influence of Bollywood. No, there's a song in Bollywood, no, Ek Do Teen, it finishes at 13. So your tables also finish at 13. Okay. Yeah. So let me tell you a technique which we can use to do the tables, because tables are going to help you out with multiplications also. Okay. Let me just bring this up on screen as well. Okay. I guess, wait. You see the screen with the Vedic math written on it. Wait. Okay, so this is Vedic maths. These are tables. I hope all of you are aware of these tables from 1 to 5, and then tables from 6 to 10. Okay, all of you should know at least these tables. Moving ahead, if I have a table of 23, how many of you will be able to answer it verbally? Just raise your hand if you can answer it verbally. If you can answer it verbally. Okay. Okay, how many hands have been raised? Hardik, Gursimran, Anuj, I see 3 hands. Okay. Pranav Agarwal, Jagrup. Guys, we'll keep it a little interactive so that I also know that you are there. You've not dozed off. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, for the rest of you, since these people said that they know how to solve the tables, for the rest of you, let's do the table of 23. Okay. How to do table of 23? We'll see one by one. You know the table of 2 and 3, right? You need to write those tables one by one. I've written these tables. You see table of 2 written. You see a table of 3 written. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 3's table, right? Now, how does it give me the table of 23? Let's see. Somebody has raised the hand. Okay. 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 Lower your hands, guys. Lower your hands. Okay. So how do I do it further now? See, 23 ones are 23. Okay. I know that table. 4 and 6. So table of 23 into 2 is 46. 23 into 3 is 69. 23 into 4. It's not 812. It's a little tricky. How do I solve this? This one will be carried forward and added into 8. So what do we get? 92. Okay. Similarly, for 23 into 5, this one will be carried forward and added into 10. This will become 115. Okay. This one will be carried forward and added into 2. This will become 138. Similarly, you take up this 2, add it up in 14, you get 161. 16. You add up 2. Okay, who is asking when will the class start? Just a second. Okay, so 16 plus 2 gives you 18, so 184. 18 plus 2 gives you 30, so 207. 20 plus 3 gives you 23, so we get 230. Okay, understood? If you understood this table, then it's easy to solve the other tables also. Okay, it's easy to solve the other tables also. Let's look at the other tables. Okay, so I want you to solve the table of 42 on your own. Table of 42 on your own. Once you've completed it, you can put it in the questions. 42 ones are 42, it's pretty clear. Okay, I'll go one by one. 42 twos are, it's gonna be 84. 42 threes are, guys, please answer. Visible there. 42 threes are 126. Good, Krish. 42 fours are 168. Yes, good. Fives are, this one will get added, right? You see that? This one will get added. Okay, good. 210, not 201, Sameep. It's 210. Pranav, very good. 252. You get 294. Correct. Very good. Yes, very good. Go ahead. This is gonna be 336. Very good. Correct. Very good. I see a lot of you have completed the table. Okay. So 378 and then 420. Okay. So are we good with this? Understood the table? Okay. Good. 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 Okay. If anybody has any doubt on this, you can ask me, or else I'll move on to the next part. Mehek. Yes, what's the doubt, Mehek? Please put in the question. Mehek has a doubt. Mitali, yes, it goes for all the tables, whether it's a 2-digit table or the 3-digit table. Mehek, what do you mean by these tables? By these tables, if you mean 2 digits, no, it's valid for 3 digits also. It goes for every table. It goes for every table. If you want me to take an example, I can take an example also. Let me just show you once. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna use the table method to do the multiplication. Hand. Hardik, please. Okay, let me just lower your hand. Okay. So if you have a question, then only raise the hand. Otherwise, it creates a distraction for me, Hardik. Okay, Shweta, can you repeat it? Yes, Shweta, I will repeat it. I will repeat it. I'm listening. You know that? 12 into, okay, I've done it on the screen. Into 3, I've done it first. 12 into 3 is 36. 12 into 1 is 12. And 12 into 2 is 24. Okay, I'll write this once. So we are doing it one by one. Shweta, please see. 12 into 2 is 24. This 12 into 1 is 12. 12 into 3 is 36. Okay. Now what is our next step? Please be very careful. What is our next step? Please see. We'll keep 6 here. This 3 will be picked up from here and added up in the next number. What is 12 plus 3? It's 15. So we'll keep 5 here, and this 1 gets carried forward to the next part. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. Okay, so that is my product. That's why I told you the tables, because tables will help you out with the basic multiplications also. Okay, I see a few questions. Let me see. Just okay, Shweta, do you want me to repeat it? Jasnoor, Rachit. Okay, I'll repeat it. I'll repeat it, guys. I'll repeat it for you. We'll do everything again. So you see 213 into 12 on the screen, right? 213 into 12. Let me show you how to solve this. I'll do the multiplication one by one. This 12 is to be multiplied by 3. What is 12 into 3? It's 36. Yes. 12 into 1, it's 12. 12 into 2, it's 24. Okay. I've written it one by one. Now keep the last digit from this number. Keep 6 here. And this 3 is to be carried forward to the next number. Okay. This 3 is to be carried forward to the next number. 12 plus 3 is 15. So out of 15, I will only write 5. And this 1 will again be carried forward to the next number. Got it? This 12 plus 3 was 15 actually, but I kept only 5, and this 1 is carried forward to the next number. So 24 plus 1 becomes 25. That's 2556. Okay, that's the product. Okay, so people who asked me to repeat it, is it clear now? Is it, Rachit? Okay, Mehak, you've understood. Anybody else who has a problem with this? You can ask me. Shweta, clear? Okay. Rachit, clear? Good. Hardik, whenever you have 2 digits, for example, I had 12 into 3, 36. I can keep the last digit and I have to carry the other digit. Okay. Whenever you get more than 1 digit, the rest of the digits have to be carried forward. Got it? I can show you once again. So when I had, okay, let me just show you. When I had 12 into 2, 24, 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 3, 36. These are 2-digit numbers, right? I don't have to keep these 2 digits. I will only keep 1 digit here. This digit has to be carried forward to the next number, always. 12 plus 3 is 15. I can keep 5 here. This 1 will be carried forward to the next number. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. Okay, so it is always to be carried forward. Okay, understood? Okay, I see more questions. Yes, Sameep, we can do 3 digits with 3 digits also, but it's a matter of the numbers that we are using. Okay, if you are comfortable multiplying a 3-digit number with single digits, then it's pretty easy. Okay, for example, instead of 213 into 12, okay, let me just show you. Instead of 213 into 12, had it been 213 into 121, okay, I can still do it. 121 into 2 is what? 242. 121 into 1 is 121, and 121 into 3 is 363. Okay, so my steps would increase, but I can do it. So you'll keep 3 from here. This 36 is to be carried forward to the next number. Okay, 121 plus 36 becomes how much? 157. So I can keep a 7 here. Out of 157, I can keep a 7 here. 15 will be carried forward to the next number. So 242 plus 15 becomes 257. Okay, Sameep. So we get the answer. We can do it. We can do it. It's just your comfort. If you're comfortable multiplying 3-digit numbers with single digits, it's doable. It's pretty doable. Understood? I have a few more questions. Okay, Sameep understood. Okay. Jasmeet, I've given you the example. Have you understood? 3-digit into 3-digit. Okay. Okay. Kashish, 13 into 27. Yes, Kashish, we can do that. We can do that. Let me just put it on another screen. Okay, so 13 into 27. Okay, let me just solve it here for you. So 13 into 27. Kashish, what is 13 into 2? It is 26. And 13 into 7, it is 91. Okay, so I'll keep 1 here, and this 9 has to be added to 26. What is 26 plus 9? It's 35. So the answer becomes 351. I hope it is clear to you, Kashish. Jasmeet, you want me to repeat the 3-digit multiplication again? I'll do that. I'll repeat it. Guys, if you have any doubts, please ask. Kashish, have you understood this? 13 into 27? Kashish? Okay. Okay, let me repeat 3-digit into 3-digit. So, Jasmeet, I'm repeating 3-digit multiplication to 3-digit multiplication. For example, instead of 213 into 12, I had 213 into 121. Okay. So what do we do now? This 121 will be multiplied with all these digits one by one. 121 multiplied by 2 gives me 242. This 121 multiplied by 1 gives me 121. This 121 multiplied by 3 gives me 363. Okay. Now what do I do next? I'll keep this digit here. I'll keep 3 here. This 36 will be carried forward to the next number. So 121 plus 36 becomes 157. 157. But I will only keep a 7 here, and this 15 will be carried forward to the next number. This 242 plus 15 gives us 257. So I will simply write 257 here. This becomes my product. Understood? Aradhya, 3-digit multiplication I've repeated. Jasmeet, I have repeated it. Okay. Okay, Mehak has understood, Jasmeet has understood. Siddhi, I have not come to squares yet. I'll let you know how to do squares. If you understood multiplication, let me know so that I can move forward. Okay, good enough. Avneet, example of what? A 3-digit multiplication by 3-digit multiplication? Okay, let me give you another example. Okay, so 3-digit, any 3-digit number. Let me take, let's say 167 into 213. Okay, this seems a little odd numbers. Okay, little difficult numbers. I'll pick up these difficult numbers. Okay, so whichever you find comfortable, pick that number. I see 213 is a comfortable, is an easy number. So 213 multiplied by 1 is 213. Guys, this is not the only method to multiply 3-digit into 3-digit. I'll give you another method with which you can solve 3-digit into 3-digit, but that'll be later on. Okay, this is just the application of tables. I'm just using tables here. So Avni, 213 into 1 is 213. 213 into 6, pretty easy. 200 into 6 is 1200. 13 into 6 is 78. So I'll write 1278. And this 213 into 7. 213 into 7. If you're comfortable doing that, you can do it. 200 into 7 is 1400. 13 into 7 is 91. So it's 1491. Okay. Now what do we do next? I'll keep this digit here, 1. This 149 can be added to this number. Okay. And that addition, you can do it here. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 12. 4, 1. So you can keep a 7 here. This 142 will be carried forward to the next number. So 213 plus 142, I'll just check. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 1 is also 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it becomes 355. That becomes my product. Okay. Okay, Hardik, how did I do 213 into 7? Okay, so Hardik has a question. How did I do 213 into 7? I guess a lot of you might have this question. 200 into 7 is 1400. I know that, right? And 13 into 7, I know the table of 13, right? 13 sevens are 91. So that becomes 1491. That's what I've used here. Understood? Hardik, I hope you understood this. Please keep asking your questions. Okay, I can see those questions. So if anybody's asking any question, okay, Hardik, you understood. Hardik, you can just write yes. That's fine. I mean, don't say yes for, I mean, you can say yes at least for your answer. If you understood, just say yes. Okay. Okay, Urvashi, Mehak, and Chahat, Bhavjot, you raised your hands. Bhavjot has a question. Okay, Chahat has not understood. 213 into 7. Okay, I'll repeat that. So Chahat, when I do 213 into 7, I am just doing 200 into 7 and 13 into 7. Okay, I'm just breaking it down. 200 into 7 is 1400. 13 into 7 is 91. So in totality, this becomes 1491. Okay. Chahat, have you understood? Sameep, as of now, I've kept it till 6 o'clock. Let's see how it goes. Chahat has understood it. Mehak has understood it. Okay, okay. I guess all of you have understood this, so I can move on to the next part. Okay. So if you can see it on the screen, the next topic I written was 2-digit squares. Okay, 2-digit squares. By 2-digit squares, I mean square of 36, 45, 57, right? So how do we do those squares? There's an easy method to solve these squares. If at all you know the table still square still 9, you'll be able to solve squares of any 2-digit number. Let me give you an example. For example, I have 73 square. Okay, 73 square. I'll do this step by step. Let's look at the steps. So 73 square. What is 3 square? You can write it in the questions, not a problem. What is 3 square? It's 9. Yes. What is 7 into 3 into 2? Do you see this 7, this 3, and this 2? 7 into 3 into 2. 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42. So we can put a 2 here, and 4 will be my carryover. I'm not writing 2 digits. Whenever I get 2 digits, I'll only write a single digit here, and the other digit will be carried over. Only write the units digit here, tens digit will be carried over. So 3 square was 9, 7 into 3, 21 into 2 was 42. So I have kept 2 here, and 4 is my carryover. Next, 7 square is 49. 49 plus 4 becomes 53. Okay, 5329. Yes, correct. Correct, Bhavjot. Correct, Hardik. That becomes the square of 73. I hope you've understood this. I want you to quickly find out the square of 72. All of you. Please quickly find the square of 72. 72 square. Please solve it as early as possible. 72 square. Very good. Srishti has got it. Bhavjot has got the correct answer. Aradhya, I'll repeat it once. Okay, Aradhya, I'll repeat it. Chaitanya, correct answer. Shweta, correct. Kashish, you've done probably some mistake. You did not do 7 square. You probably multiplied it with 7 with 2. Kashish, please check. Rachit, correct. Krishna Gopal, your answer is wrong. You've done the calculation wrong. Vanshika, correct. Sameep, this square thing, there are only 3 steps involved. It's not very complicated. 2 square is 4. Okay. 7 into 2 into 2. That's it. Otherwise, multiplying 72 into 72 is going to be a huge task. Okay. Once you become comfortable with this, it's pretty easy to solve these squares. So 2 square here is 4. 7 into 2 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28. So I keep an 8 here and 2 will be my carryover. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 2 becomes 51. So 5184, that's my square. Okay. Ria, not 5164, it's 5184. I've just done step by step. I hope you understood this. Prableen, your answer is wrong. The rest, all of you who have answered it correct. Okay, Ria has got it. Krishna, what is your doubt? Krishna, I'll repeat it for you. Please check it once. So I did 2 square. 2 square was 4. I've written 4. 7 into 2, 14 into 2, 28. So I can write 8 here and 2 will be my carryover. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. That's 5184. Understood? Yes, Krishna, 7 into 2 into 2. That's what is it? 7 into 2 into 2 is 28. So you need to write an 8 and not 6. That was your mistake. Yeah, 2 will be carried. Correct. Out of 28, 8 will be written, 2 will be carried. Correct. Very good. Okay. Okay, Saras. Okay, Krishna. Okay. So let me write a few squares for you. You need to find out all of those one by one. You need to find out all of those and then we'll figure out a pattern in these. Okay. So I'm writing a few squares. You need to find out these squares for me. Okay. 42 square, 53 square, 64 square, 76 square, 65 square, 75 square, 92 square, 85 square. Please find out all of these for me. Pranav Agarwal, yes, correct. Very good. Mehak, your answer is wrong. 42 square is not 2284. Siddhi, you made a mistake. 2 square is 4 and not 2. Anuj Mittal, yes, correct answer. Anchit, very good, correct answer. Very good, good going. So when you are writing the answers, please mention the square also that you're doing. Okay, suppose somebody is written 2809, please mention it's 53 square. Okay. Yes, Aradhya, correct. You're right. Kashish, you're correct. Hardik, correct. Anuj, very good, correct. Urvashi, which one is this that you've mentioned? Stuti, correct, very good. Shweta, correct. Riya is correct. Gursimran, correct. Vanshika, correct. Urvashi, correct. Yes. Kashish said correct. Good going, good going. Solve all of these now. Very good. Okay, Urvashi. 42 square, probably you've answered it wrong. For 42 square, the answer was 1764, okay? Good. Yeah, I'm getting the correct answers. Pranav, 76 square, there's a small mistake. Please check it. Shweta, 64 square, you've done a mistake, a small mistake. Please check it once. Avneet, 76 square is wrong. Gursimran, correct. 692 square, 8464, that's correct. Anuj Mittal, 85 square. Yes, correct. Bhavjot, correct. Anchit, correct. Vanshika, 76 square is wrong. You are probably forgetting the carryover aspect. Krishna Gopal, correct. Sameep, very good. Anchit, correct. Urvashi, third one is wrong. Okay, I see Angad Singh. Angad Singh. What's your name, Angad Singh? What's your full name? I mean, Angad, I have not sent an email to Angad. Stuti, correct. Isha, correct. Priyanshu, correct. You're going well, going very well. Oh, okay. Jia. Angad Singh's ID is Jia. Okay, Jia. Good. Aradhya, no, 64 square is not 40816. Okay, I'll do all of these one by one. So please check your answers. Please check your answers, whatever your answers are. 42 square. So 2 square was 4. I kept 4 here. 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. I'll keep 6 here. 1 will be carried over. So 4 square, 16 plus 1, 17. 1764 is the answer for the first one. Okay. So whosoever has got this correct, please check it. Check your mistakes also if you got it wrong. 53 square. 3 square is 9. 5 into 3, 15 into 2 is 30. So I can keep a 0 here and 3 is going to be my carryover. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. That's 2809. Okay. 64 square. 4 square is 16. So I can keep a 6 here. 1 will be carried over. 6 into 4, 24 into 2, 48 plus 1, 49. So you can keep a 9 here. 4 will be carry over. 6 square is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. That's 4096. Okay. 76 square. 6 square is 36. I can keep a 6 here. 3 will be my carryover. 7 into 6, 42. 42 into 2, 84. 84 plus 3, 85. I can keep a 5 here and 8 will be my carryover. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 8, it's 57. Okay, I just made a mistake in 76. Please do it again. 6 square is 36. I can keep a 6 here. 3 will be my carryover. 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 2, 42 into 2 is 84. 84 plus 3 is 87. You have to write a 7 here and 8 will be carryover. Okay. Now 7 square is 49. 49 plus 8 is 57. So 5776. That's the correct answer. 65 square. 5 square is 25. You can keep a 5 here and 2 is carryover. 6 into 5, 30 into 2, 60. 60 plus 2 is 62. So you can keep a 2 here and 6 will be carry over. 6 square is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. Now, all of these numbers which have 5 at the end can also be solved using another method. And it's pretty easy to solve the square of these numbers. Whenever a number ends with 5, just write 25 at the end and look at this digit. हमारे पास 5 से पहले कौन सा डिजिट है 6 है तो 6 into its next number. What is the next number to 6? It's 7. So 6 into 7 is 42. That's gonna be my answer. Okay, 4225. That the same thing will apply in these numbers also. 75 square. 5 square is 25. So I can keep 25 at the end. 7 into next number is 8. 7 8 is 56. I can keep 56 here. That's 5625. 92 square. 2 square is 4. Okay. 9 into 2, 18 into 2, 36. I can keep a 6 here. 3 will be carry over. 9 square, 81. 81 plus 3, 84. Okay. This number again ends with 5. So I can end it with 25. 8 into next number is 9. 8 9s are 72. This becomes my square. 7225 becomes my square. Okay. I hope all of these are correct. Yes, Rachit, I am getting your messages. Okay, Mitali, 5 correct. Okay, Shweta, only 1 wrong. Mitali, okay, do you want me to repeat this 5 1? Okay. So numbers that end with 5, let me do it again. Numbers that end with 5, for example, let me take 75 square, okay? Just write 25 for them at the end, and this digit 7 into its next number. What is number next to 7? That's 8. So 7 8 is 56. You can directly write 56 here. Okay. Mitali, understood? Siddhi, 1 wrong. Mehak, 1 wrong. Jagrup, 1 wrong. Okay. Rachit, Suri, all correct. Mitali, is it clear now? Okay, Mitali. Now, for all of you, okay, Krishnan Gopal, I got your answer. Okay, all correct. Good. So for all of you, whenever a number ends with 5, I told you the method, right? Even if it's a 3-digit number, this thing will work. For example, 105 square. The 5 square is going to be 25. I'll write 25 at the end. The number before 5 is 10. So 10 into 11 is 110. So I can write 110 here. So 11025. That's my answer. Understood? It can be applied to 3-digit numbers also. Okay. If your doubts have been solved, Aradhya, Rachit, Jagrup, and Mehak, please lower your hands. If there's still doubt, please write down your doubt. Mehak, is there any doubt? Okay. A lot of people did not answer for these questions, whether they got it correct or not. Srishti, did you get all correct? Srishti, Stuti. Okay, good. Mehak. Mehak, I am just giving you another shortcut where you can solve all the numbers which have 5 at the end. I'm just straightforward writing 25. Okay, I can do it using that carry forward method also. Okay, but I'm doing the straight method. Okay. Bhavjot, all correct. Stuti, correct. Stuti, correct. Okay. Avneet, 64 square. I'll repeat that. 105 square, correct. Devansh, all correct. Okay. Anuj Mittal. Okay. Jasnoor has answered it. Very good. Jasnoor, all of these are correct. All Pranav, all correct. Smriddhi Malhotra, 2 wrong. Sir, Saras, 4 wrong. Saras, whatever questions are wrong, have you understood those? If not, I'll repeat it. Okay, Mehak, I'm repeating 105 square. Okay. Kashish got 2 wrong. Chahat only 1 wrong. Good. So whatever questions are wrong, if you've not understood, please write them here. I'll repeat it. So as of now, Ria has asked me to repeat 76. I have to repeat 105 square. I'm repeating them. I'm repeating these. Okay, so Ria, you want me to do 76 square, right? I'll do 76 and I'll do 105 both. Okay. So 105 square, I'm repeating. I said whenever there is 5 at the end, you can write 25 at the end. And what number is immediately after 10? It's 11. So 10 into 11 is 110. I can write 11025. Okay. I hope 105 square is clear now. If it is not clear, let me know. I'll repeat it. Okay, good, Mehak. Ria, 76 square, I'll repeat. Ria, 6 square is 36, so I'll write 6 here. 3 will be carried over. 7 into 6 is 42. 42 into 2 is 84. 84 plus 3 is 87. I'll write 7 here and 8 will be carried over. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 8 is 57. Okay, so we get 5776. Avneet 64 square. I'll repeat it. Okay. 64 square. Avneet, I'm repeating it. 64 square. 4 square is 16. So I'll keep a 6 here. 1 will be carried over. 6 into 4, 24 into 2, 48. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 2, 48. 48 plus this carryover 1, 49. So I will write a 9 here. And 4 will become my carryover, my new carryover. 6 square is 36 plus 4, 40. So I get 4096. Okay. Got it, Avneet? Okay, Ria. Avneet, got it? Okay, good, good. Any other doubts, anybody? Okay. If you have any other doubt, you can raise your hand. Jagrup, Mitali, Aradhya, Hardik, you've raised your hands. Saras, clear? Good. Hardik, it completely depends on the question, okay? How many n-digit squares would be required to do? You can, I mean, as of now, I'm doing 3-digit squares. I can do 4-digit squares also. I'm going to explain how to do other 3-digit squares. Okay, I've just done 3-digit square with 5 at the end, but I'll do other 3-digit squares also. I'm going to do it now. Okay. So we'll do 3-digit squares now. Avneet, not for 4-digit squares, not on 4-digit squares. There's another method for 4-digit squares. I'll let you know that method also. Let me just do 3-digit squares only as of now. Okay, so 3-digit square. Let's take 104 square. 104 square. So what do we do? 104 square actually means 104 is to be multiplied by 104. Okay, 104 is to be multiplied by 104. What will we do now? We'll use the base method. We need to see the base which is close to 104. And what are bases usually? Bases are powers of 10. For example, 10 is a base, 10 square 100 is a base, 1000 is a base. These are bases. So for 104, what is the base? It is 100. Okay. Yes, Prableen, the base is 100. Correct. So 104 is 4 above 100. Okay. 104 is 4 above 100. Similarly, this 104 is also 4 above 100. Okay. Now we need to multiply these two. Multiply these two numbers. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is, you can write it pretty easy. 4 into 4 is 16. Prableen, Anuj, correct. So I'll write 16 here. What is my next step? My next step is this 104 plus this 4. Okay, I'm doing cross addition. I'm doing 104 plus 4. 104 plus 4. 104 plus 4 is 108. That becomes my answer. Yes, Arshdeep, absolutely correct. 10816, that's the square of 104. Very good. Okay, now I need to take care of something. I'll just show you what you need to take care of. We'll just see. If my number would have been 108 instead of 104, 108 multiplied by 108, I would have written plus 8 plus 8. 8 is 64. And this 108 plus 8 becomes 116. Okay, this is pretty similar to the first one. Okay, I could do this easily. Okay, Mitali, you want me to repeat? I'm repeating this. 108 square, I'm repeating only. Okay, so 108 has a carryover of 8. I mean, I would say it is 8 above its base. So I've written plus 8 here. I've written another plus 8 here. 8 into 8 becomes 64. And 108 plus 8 becomes 116. So we get 11664. Anuj, you got the correct answer. Yes. Okay, so that's how we calculate 108. But what if my number is slightly bigger? Can I move on to the next screen, guys? If you want to note something down, you can note it down. Base is okay. Shweta, what is base? Shweta, base is आपको उसके आसपास कोई ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जो 10 की पावर है. For example, 100 in this case. Okay. Mehak, is it not clear? Acha, Mehak, you're writing it. Okay, write it. Note it down. You can, guys, even you can take the screenshots also. So what is the use of technology if you cannot use the screenshot and good options? And the lecture is being recorded. But obviously, there's more fun of live classes. Okay, have you noted down? Okay, Mehak, done. Good. So I'm doing another square, which is slightly bigger than the squares that we've already done. Let me put those squares here. So what if I have 112 square instead of 104, 108? What do we do then? So 112 multiplied by 112. We can write plus 12 here. We can write plus 12 here. What is 12 into 12? What is 12 into 12? I want you to answer. Hardik, I'll repeat 108 later on. Okay, Sameep. Okay, I got it. No problem. Yeah. Chaitanya, yes, 144. Correct. All of you are correct. Anuj, very good. Anuj has given me the correct answer, complete correct answer. Okay, so let's look at this. 12 into 12 is 144. I'll write only 44 here, and 1 will be carried over. Okay, 1 will be carried over. Now, what am I doing here? Earlier, when I did 104 square, if you remember, 4 4s are 16. I had kept 16, complete 16 here. But in this case, 12 into 12 is 144. I have written only 44 here. That means you only need to write 2 digits here. Okay, you only need to write 2 digits here. Okay, and the third one is to be carried over. Now, why am I writing 2 digits? Because my base is 100. My base has 2 zeros, so I will only keep 2 digits here. Okay, you need to remember that. If my base would have been 1000, okay, I would have kept 3 digits. So 12 into 12 is 144. I have kept 44. 1 is my carryover. 112 plus 12 is 124. And 124 plus 1 is 125. So 12544, that becomes my square. And the answer is correct for a lot of people. Chaitanya, Avneet, Hardik, Devansh. Pranav, there's a slight mistake that 1 needs to be carried forward. I hope you've understood. Prableen, that 1 needs to be carried forward. Sanchit, that's correct. Anuj Mittal, that's correct. Okay, so a lot of you have answered it correct. Urvashi got it correct. Priyanshu got it correct. Aradhya got it correct. Very good. So now that you've understood that even bigger numbers can be solved this way, I'm going to give you a few squares. I want you all to solve these. Okay, I'm writing a few squares for you. So please solve the square of, okay, before you solve the squares, let me just give you another one. 102 square. So 2 into 2 is 4. But I told you need to keep 2 digits here. So I will write 04 instead of 4. I will write 04 here and not only 4. Okay. Now the next step is same. 102 plus 2 is 104. So 10404. Okay, that's the correct answer. Yes, Anuj. Yes, Chaitanya. 10404. That's the correct answer. So please take care. When you get a single digit, 2 into 2 gave you a single digit 4, but I had to keep 2 digits here. So that's why I've written 04. Okay, probably incorrect. Okay. Now, I'm giving you some questions now. I hope all of you will be able to solve them. Okay, so my questions are 100 and we've done 4 already. 103 square, 106 square, 109 square, 113 square, 117 square, where 17 square is 289. I've given you that already. So that means 17 square आपके पास आ गया already, but 17 square you need to remember. I guess Sameep, you've got your answer. Okay. Sanchit Arora, 11236. Okay, Sanchit, that's correct for 106. Yes. Avneet, 10609 for 103. That's correct. Good. Jagrup, correct. Sanchit, correct. Shweta, 106, correct. Simran, that's correct. Arshdeep, correct. Avneet, correct. Kashish, correct. Prableen, correct. Stuti Sharma, correct. Yes, Prableen. Join me. Please keep answering. One of the participant suddenly got out of the webinar. Let me just add him back. Okay, guys, I hope you've solved all of these. Let me just get back to you. Vanshika, correct. Rachit. Okay, good. Priyanshu, correct. Srishti, correct. Vanshika, going correct. Jia, that's a wrong one. Your answer is wrong. Stuti Sharma, that's correct. Chahat, that's correct. Pravleen, correct. Very good. Anchit, correct. Just Noor, correct. Okay. Most of you got the correct answers. Okay, now let me just solve this for all of you once again. Okay, so 103 square, it's pretty easy. 103. 3 into 3 was 9, so we had to write 09. 103 plus 3 was 106. Okay, so 10609. 106 square, it was 11236. Okay, let me just write it here. 106, 106. 6 and 6, 6 6 are 36, so you can keep 36 here. 106 plus 6 is 112. Okay, that's the answer. 109 square, that's 11881. Most of you have got it correct. Oh, so by mistake I've removed all of those. I'll write it again, no problem. So 109 square, it's 109 multiplied by 109. So 9 and 9 has to be multiplied. 9 9 is 81. 109 plus 9 is 118. So next I had given 113. So it's 113 multiplied by 113. 13 and 13 here. 13 13s are 169. So we can keep only 69 here. 1 will be carried over. 113 plus 13 is 126 plus 1 127. Got it? Now we have 117 also. Let me solve 117 for you. So 117. 17 into 17, I had told you 289, so you could have kept 89 here. 2 is carryover. So 117 plus 17 is 134, plus 2, 136. Okay. I hope you understood all your answers. I mean, if any of them were wrong, you've understood them. And guys, I had told you 17 square, but I will not always tell you the squares, right? So I would recommend you remember squares at least till 30. Okay, so there are certain questions. Rachit has raised his hand. Okay. Okay, Rachit, we'll go approximate in that case. Just find out 53 square in that case. Okay, we'll go approximate in that case because that's a 4-digit number, no? So 4-digit numbers are difficult to find. The squares of 4-digit numbers are a little difficult. Avishka, that's correct. Chahat has got it. Chahat, there's a slight mistake. It's 13689. Samir, I've seen your question. I had answered it. You can get it by the evening. Okay, you can get it by the evening. Gia got it. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, most of you have understood it. Okay, Hardik, how can we do the tables of 3-digit numbers like 112? Okay, that's Hardik's question. How can we do tables of 3-digit numbers like 112? Okay, let me just do that for you here as well. Let me just show you how to do that. So Hardik has a question that how would we do the tables of 3-digit numbers? For example, 112 square. What would we do? We'll write the table of 1, 1, and 2. One's table is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, one's table is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 2's table is 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20, right? So 112 ones are 112, 2's are it's 224. I hope you get the point. 336, that's 448, that's 562. Why? Because we add up this one here in the next number. 562. Okay, sorry, it had to be 10. Okay, my mistake. 10. It had to be 560. This should have been 12. So 1 is to be carried forward here. This will become 672. This should have been 14 actually. So 1 will be carried forward here. This will become 784. Okay, this should have been 16. 1 will be carried here. It will become 896. Okay, so yeah, it should have been 18 here. So 8 at the end. This will become 10. 10 ka 0 rakhenge. Again 1 will go ahead. This will become 10 again. 1008. I guess this part is a little challenging. 112 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. What will we do? We'll keep 8 here. When you add up 1 to 9, 9 plus 1 becomes 10. But we will only write 0 at the end. Then that 1 will be carried forward to the next number. So 9 plus 1 becomes 10 again. That's 1008. Okay. And for the last number, you keep 0 at, you know that, right? 112 tens are 1120. That's my answer. Okay. Hardik, I hope you've understood this. I guess all of you have understood this table of 3-digit numbers. It's pretty easy. Even table of 3-digit numbers is pretty easy. Okay. Aradhya, yes, what's your doubt, Aradhya? You raised your hand. Aradhya, is there any doubt? Okay, okay. Aradhya has lowered her hand. Okay, I believe there is no doubt now, and we can move ahead. Okay. So we have done 3-digit squares, but there are some more squares which we can do using base method. For example, even 96 square can be done using base method. Why? Because this is close to 100. Okay. So 96 multiplied by 96. How far is this to 100. If you check how far is this to 100. Very good, Anuj. Very good. Very good. So 96, it's -4 and -4. What's -4 into -4? That's positive 16. And 96 minus 4 is 92. That becomes 9216. Okay. And that's the correct answer. Anuj, very good. Anuj has given me the answer before I solved it. Very good, Anuj. I hope you understood this now and can solve another square for me. Please solve 92 square for me. If you've not understood, please ask me the question. You can raise your hand. Jagrup has a question. Jagrup, what's the question? Please write it. Anuj, very good. Correct answer. Hardik, correct answer. Kashish, that's wrong. Gursimran, that's wrong. Chaitanya, that's wrong. Chaitanya, Kashish have made the same mistake. Probably you've got the same answers, but that's wrong. Prableen, correct. Stuti Sharma, correct. Krishna Gopal, correct. Stuti Jaggi, correct. Vanshika, correct. Chahat Gupta, correct. Shweta, correct. Priyanshu, Paramveer, Srishti, your answers are correct. Avneet, your answer is wrong. Aradhya, okay, your question is why -4? Aradhya, how far is this 96 from 100? It is 4 below, right? If it would have been above 4 above, then we would have written +4, but now we are writing -4. Okay. Sarthak Tiwari, that's again wrong. 9004 is wrong. You probably made a mistake. Jagrup, I'll repeat it. No problem. I'll repeat it. Okay, most of the others have got it correct. Chaitanya, you've got it wrong again. There's some mistake. I'll repeat it for you. I'll solve this for you. I have not solved 92 square for you. I'll solve it. So 92 square. So 92 multiplied by 92. How far is 92 from 100? That's -8. And -8 into -8 is positive 64, right? And 92 minus 8 is 84. That's 8464. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this now. People who had got it wrong, Chaitanya had got it wrong, Sarthak Tiwari had got it wrong. I hope you understood this. Priyanshu, I hope you got it wrong, correct now. Chaitanya, Kashish, good, good, very good. Okay, most of you have got it correct now. Sarthak, your answer was 9004. Have you got the correct answer now? Yes, okay, good, good. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this now. Mehak, 84 कैसे आया? Okay, Mehak, what is 92 minus 8? Mehak, what is 92 minus 8? Yes, Jia, that's correct answer. Jagrup, I'll repeat 96. Wait, I'll repeat 96. Mehak, got it? Okay, good. Okay, Jagrup, please check. 96 is 4 below 100, so I've written -4 here. Again, 96 is 4 below 100, so I've written -4. -4 into -4 gives you 16. I have written 16 here. And 96 minus 4 is 92. That's 92. So 9216 is my answer. Okay, Jagrup, I hope you've understood it now. Okay, good, good, Jagrup. Yes, yes, Aradhya, that would depend on the distance from the base. Correct. If it is below the base, you'll write minus. If it is above the base, you'll write 100. You'll write positive. Okay. And there will be questions. There will be questions where one number is above 100, one number is below 100 also. Okay. Yes, Mehak, yes, this is quite easy. Shweta, these are certain techniques. These are standard techniques. This is basically like I am actually using a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square kind of formulas to solve this. Okay. Yes, Rachit, we'll do 88 also. We'll do 88 also, but for that I need to understand. Okay, 88 करते हैं पहले, ठीक है. Paramveer, we can do it for bigger numbers also, but then your multiplications should be very quick. If you know squares, let's say you know squares till 30, you can use this method till 130 or till 70. If you know squares till 40, you will be able to do it till 140 or 60. Okay. The group, no, 91 square will not be 81, 81. Okay, I would ask all of you to solve 91 square for me. Please solve 91 square. The group has a question, how would we solve 91 square? I'll do 91 square and then we'll do 88 square that Rachit has asked. Mitali, I'll do 117 square, wait. Ria, an example of +1 also in which we have to add something to this. Yes, Ria, I'll give you the example. The earlier question that we did 104, 106, they were plus wale questions only, Ria. But I'll repeat one of those. Okay, yes, 91 square, most of you have answered. So 91 multiplied by 91, what is it going to give you? Minus 9, minus 9. 9 into 9 is 81. Okay, 9 into 9 is 81. And 91 minus 9 is what? 82. That's the answer. Yes, most of you have got it correct. 82, 81 is the answer. Got it? Good. Kashish, I hope you understood your mistake now. Yes, Hardik, 88 का square ठीक किया है तुमने. Sanvi, that's wrong. I hope you understood the mistake now. Okay, Ria, understood. Good. Okay, yes, most of you got it correct. Okay, now Rachit had asked me 88 square. I would ask all of you to solve 88 square for me. Yes, Gursimran, that's correct. Prableen, there's a slight mistake. It's not 7764, it's 7744. Stuti correct. Chaitanya correct. Jasnoor correct. Avishka correct. Vanshika, that's wrong. There's a slight mistake. Stuti Sharma, there is a mistake. You probably forgot to carry over. Anuj Mittal correct. Smriddhi correct. Paramveer correct. Krishna Gopal correct. Shweta, Avneet, you've got it correct. Prableen correct. Sanvi, Priyanshu, Stuti, Kashish, Aradhya, all of you are correct. Anybody who has not understood any of these questions can ask me. Pranav is correct. Sanchit, your answer is wrong. Jia, your answer is wrong. Yes, Rachit, we will add 1 rather than subtracting. Why? Because that 144 was positive and not negative. Okay, let me solve it for you. See, 88 when you do, it's minus 12 into minus 12. Minus 12 into minus 12 is 144 positive and not negative. And 88 minus 12 is 76. So you will add this one and not subtract. You get 7744. Okay. Had it been negative, then we would have subtracted it. Okay, Rachit? I will tell you a case where it is negative. Rachit, I'll do a case where it is negative. We'll do it. Now, before I move forward, if there is any other doubt, you can ask. Yes, Hardik, it can be continued. Jagroup, 81 square. Okay, Jagroup has asked 81 square. Okay, for 81 square, you should know the square of 19 also. Okay, I would ask all of you to solve 81 square, please. Jia, which one do you want me to repeat? The entire method? Then see, please see. Okay, Jia, I'm repeating 88. So 88, if you see, is 12 below 100. So I've written 88 minus 12. And again, 88 minus 12. Minus 12 into minus 12 becomes 144. So you can keep 44 here. And 1 needs to be carried forward. We'll carry it forward later. 88 minus 12 is 76. This one, when carried forward to 76, becomes 77. That's 7744. I hope you've understood it now. Jia. And okay, I had asked for 85, 81 square. Most of you have found it. Yes, I've seen the answers. Pranav, Sanchit, Priyanshu, Hardik, Mehak Gupta, Avneet, Prableen, Shweta Thakur, Gursimran. All of you have got it correct. Chahat, correct. Harshdeep Singh Kalra, ठीक, correct. Paramveer, correct. Stuti, correct. Avishka, correct. Anuj, Kashish, correct. Aradhya, your answer is wrong. Jasnoor, correct. Devansh, correct. Riya, correct. Jagrup, correct. Very good. Very good. Devansh, 7744, you've written the answer of 88, I suppose. Okay. Yeah. Krishna Gopal, that's wrong. Your answer is wrong. Chaitanya, the answer is correct. Very good. Very good. I guess we can move ahead now, if you've understood this. Okay. Okay. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Now, there's one more thing that you need to observe. There can be, okay, I have done squares till now, but do you imagine that the same thing can be used for doing multiplications also? For example, what if I multiply 103 with 107? I can use the same method here also. How much is 103 above 100? How much is 103 above 100? It's 3, yes. So we can write plus 3 here, and for this one we can write plus 7. 3 into 7 is 21, and 103 plus 7 is 110. So we get the product also. Okay. So 11021. I hope this is correct. Okay, very good, very good. Avneet, yes, you got it correct. Srishti, correct. Stuti, correct. Very good. Stuti Sharma, yes, correct. Good. Okay, so now that you've understood multiplication, this multiplication can be continued to whatever numbers you want to take in hundreds. In fact, I can continue this to numbers which are below 100 and above 100. Okay, Anchit Soni, correct. Aradhya, that's wrong. Please check what I've done in the screen. Please check your screen. Mehak, how is it 110? Okay, 103 plus 107. What is it? 103 plus 107. That's 110, right? Got it? Yes, Siddhi, your answer is correct. Jagrup, you want me to solve 106 into 108? Okay, that's a question for all of you. Jagrup wants to solve 106 into 108. Please solve 106 into 108. Give me the answers as soon as possible. Avneet, I'll do that. That's in the next step. We'll do it. Very good, Jagrup. Jagrup has got it correct. It's 11448. 11448. Gursimran, Hardik, Anuj Mittal, Pranav Agarwal, Sanchit Arora, Srishti Gupta, Stuti, Shweta, Krishna Gopal, Devansh, your answer is wrong. Baki jitne maine naam bole, those answers are correct. Prableen, your answer is correct. Chahat, correct. Rachit, correct. Chaitanya, correct. Paramveer, Avneet, Priyanshu, Arshdeep, all of you are correct. All of your answers are correct. Yes, good, very good. Very good. Devansh, I hope you've understood. Okay, good. Mitali, please refresh it. Mitali, one student had the same problem. You can log out and join again. Your internet is probably a little slow. Okay, Mitali. Okay. Jagrup, which one do you have a doubt with? 106 into 108? Yeah, I'm doing that. Mehak, in another half an hour maybe. Okay, Jagrup, please check. 106 is plus 6, 108 is plus 8. 6 into 8 is 48, and 106 plus 8 is 114. That's 11448. That's my answer. Okay. Okay, guys, please try 104 into 113. Okay, please try this one. Meanwhile, I can take Mitali's call. हेलो हेलो हाँ जी मिताली, तुमसे गलती से म्यूट हो गया होगा, एक बारी देखो. तुम या तो ऐसा करो, उसको बंद करके एक बार दोबारा ज्वाइन करो. तुम फोन पे चला रही हो? हाँ तो तुम्हारा म्यूट हो गया वो कहीं से, अदरवाइज इज नो प्रॉब्लम। हाँ बंद करके एक बार दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लो, ठीक है, रीज्वाइन कर लो। I'll do that, the group 106 into 96, I'll do that. Hardik, whatever numbers you are comfortable with, you can try this with those numbers. Very good. Ashdeep Singh Kalra, correct answer. Chaitanya, correct answer. Shrishti, Stuti, correct answer. Pavleen, your answer is wrong. Paramveer Singh, correct answer. Gursimran, Pranav Agarwal, Shweta, Chahat Gupta have got the correct answers. Mehak, your answer is wrong. Rachit, Vanshika, Anchit, Kashish, Avneet, Sanchit, Sanvi, Avishka, Stuti, all of you have got correct answers. Jasnoor, your answer is wrong. Jia, you got the correct answer. Urvashi, your answer is wrong. Aradhya, correct. Devansh, correct. Mehak, correct. Okay, the correct answer is 11752. So people who got it correct, very good. People who have not got it correct, I'm solving this for you. This is +4, this is +13. What is 4 into 13? It's 52. We'll write it here. 104 plus 13 is 117. So that's my answer, 11752. Okay, that is my answer. I hope you understood it. People who got it wrong, okay, good. People who got it wrong, please check if you've understood it. If you've not understood, I'll repeat it. Please let me know. Please let me know. Yes, good. Prableen, do you want me to? Okay, Prableen, do you want me to repeat the question? Okay. Siddhi understood. Okay. Okay, Prableen, I'm repeating it. When you are solving 104 and 113, see 4 into 13 is 52. So I have written 52 here, and 104 plus 13 is 117. That's what we've been doing from the beginning. Okay. That's how you solve this. Okay, Prableen? Okay, Prableen. Good, good. I'll do that, the group. I'm coming to that. Now somebody asked 81 square. I missed it probably. Aradhya, 81 square. Aradhya, 81 square. I had solved it this way. 81, 81. This was minus 19, minus 19. 19 into 19 is 361. So you could have written 61 here. 81 minus 19 is 62. 62 plus जो carry over आपका 3 था वो add करो 65 बनेगा. That's 6561. Okay, that's how you solve it, Aradhya. Okay, I hope all of you have understood what we've done, and I can move ahead. Still, I'm asking again if there is any doubt, please ask me so that I can repeat it, and then I can move forward. किसी का कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो, else we can move forward. Yes, Chaitanya, that's the next thing that we're doing. We can do that. We'll do the next thing. Okay, okay, good, good. I hope all of you have understood this. Okay, I'm moving ahead. I'm moving ahead. Okay, coming back to this. Wait, let me take a complete blank screen. Okay, I've got a completely blank screen now. Okay, so guys, the next part that we're going to do is one number which is below 100, one number which is above 100. For example, we could have taken 96 multiplied by maybe 106. How do we solve this? This 96 is actually below 100. What will we do? We'll write -4 here. Yes, so Urvashi, I'll give you more questions. Once we finish this below and above, I'll give you more questions. Okay, 96 is below 100. That's 4 below 100. So I've written -4 here, and 106 is 6 above 100. So I've written it here. What is -4 into 6? -4 into 6, that's -24. Okay, and what is 96 plus 6? That's 102. Okay, now that's something new for you. We've got a -2 here. How do we remove this -2? Okay, now let's please look at this very carefully. This is very important. How do we remove this -2? To remove this -2, I will borrow 2 from here. I will borrow 2 from here. Sorry, I'll borrow 1 from here. Sorry, my mistake. I have to borrow 1 from here. Whenever you get a minus sign here, borrow 1 from here. What are we left with? We are left with 101. Borrow matlab kya hota hai? Udhar lena, right? So I've taken borrowed 1 from here. This 1 is not actually 1. This is actually 100. This is 100. I'll tell you the reason why it is 100. But the one that I've borrowed, it is not 1, it's 100. And what is 100 minus 24? What is 100 minus 24? Yes, Tanchit, correct. 76. So 10176, that's the correct answer. Sanchit has got it correct. Yes, Gursimran, Shweta, correct. Devansh, correct. Arshdeep, correct. So 10176, that's my answer. Okay. So what did we do? What did we do? -4 into 6 was -24. I kept -24 here. 96 plus 6 is 102. Okay. Now I've borrowed 1 from here. The one that I've borrowed is not actually 1. That is 100. And that 100 minus 24. Okay, when I borrowed 1, it became 101. This 102 became 101. Now this 1 is not actually 1. This is 100. ये 1 नहीं है, ये 100 है. 100 minus 24 becomes 76. So your answer is 10176. Now I have to tell you, why is this 100 actually? Why is this 100? ये 100 क्यों है? Why is this 100? Okay, I hope you remember the subtraction that we learned in classes 5th, 6th. What is 25 minus 18? I'll repeat, Mehak, don't worry. What is 25 minus 18? 17. Okay, yes, Kashish, how do we do it? I hope all of you have learned that. How did we used to do it? We used to borrow 1 from here, and ये क्या बन जाता था? 15. And 15 minus 8 हम 7 लिखते थे. And then this was 1, right? This is what we used to do in our small classes. Okay. But हम यहाँ से, तुमने कभी सोचा नहीं कि हम 1 borrow करते हैं, तो 5 and 1 should be 6. ये 15 कैसे बना? Because we actually borrow 10 from here. We don't borrow 1, we actually borrow 10 from here. क्योंकि हम 10th place से ले रहे हैं. तो similarly यहाँ पे this is units place, this is 10th place, this is 100th place. तो 100th place से अगर मैं 1 ले रहा हूँ, तो वो मैं 100 ले रहा हूँ, ना कि 1. Okay, I'm taking 100 actually. Yes, we are using place value, Rachit. Correct, absolutely correct. Okay, so that's the same reason I've borrowed 1 from here, and 1 becomes 100. Okay, now some people had a doubt. They wanted me to repeat this. I'll repeat this. Just give me a second. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. If you want to write it, you can write it. Then I'll move ahead. Okay. I guess you've taken a screenshot or you've written it already. Okay. Okay. Yes, Shweta, tell me what's your doubt. Shweta, the group, Hardik have raised their hands. If there's a doubt, please mention it here. Devansh, 92 into 120, I'll do it. We'll do it, Devansh. We'll do it. Yeah. Shweta, what if we take 106 into -4 wala case? Okay, that's also same, no? 106 minus 4 is 102, isn't it? That's not into. That's not into, Shweta. 96 plus 6 is 102. Even 106 minus 4 is 102. That's the same thing. That's always same. Okay. Jasmeet has asked 106 into 96. Jasmeet, that's what we've done. Yes, same method. You just reverse the numbers, no? Instead of अच्छा तुमने 96 नीचे ऊपर किया है बस, doesn't matter. हार्दिक 100 ही क्यों बोरो करना है? क्योंकि -24 माइनस हो जाएगा ना 100 से. अगर बड़ा नंबर होता तो मैं 100 से ज्यादा बोरो भी कर सकता हूँ. That's not a problem. Okay, Jagrup, you want me to solve 107 into 96. Guys, please solve 107 into 96. 107 into 96. Please solve this, and whosoever gets it first, please let me know. 107 into 96. Okay, solve this, please. Avneet has got it correct. Stuti correct. Srishti correct. Paramveer correct. Hardik, तुम्हारा आंसर गलत था. Chaitanya correct. Hardik, yes, now it is correct. Hardik. Chaitanya, 10176 is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Paramveer correct. Kashish, your answer is wrong. Smriti, answer is wrong. Anuj Mittal correct. Vanshika correct. Rachit, there's a small mistake. एक digit गलत लिखा है. Sanchit Arora, that's correct. Shweta Thakur, that's completely wrong. Jia, that's correct. Arshdeep, एक digit का mistake है. Chaitanya, that's correct. Stuti correct. Prableen गलत है. Siddhi wrong. Devansh wrong. Priyanshu wrong. Anchit wrong. Sorry. Priyanshu is correct. Devansh is correct. Siddhi is correct. Anchit is correct. Krishna Gopal correct. Anuj Mittal correct. Prableen Kaur. Jagrup Gill, you're correct. Chahat, your answer is a little, थोड़ा सा mistake है, probably there's a typo, एक digit गलत है. Rest most of you have got it correct. The answer is 10272. Guys, whosoever has written 10272, the answer is correct. Okay, so let me solve it for you. This is plus 7 and that's minus 4. 7 into minus 4 is minus 28. 107 minus 4 is 103. Okay. You could have done 96 plus 7 also. That also gives the same number. Now you can borrow 1 from here. This becomes 102. And the one that you borrow is actually 100. 100 minus 28 is 72. So your answer becomes 10272. Okay, Kashish. Got it. Aradhya got it. Yes, Aradhya. Okay, okay. So most of you understood this. Let me take it up for a bigger number. Let me take a bigger number. Okay, let's take 112 into maybe 85. Okay, 112 into 85. That's plus 12. That's minus 15. What is 12 into 15, guys? 12 into 15. Okay, 180. Correct. All of you. 180 जिन्होंने बोला है वो correct है. 180 is correct. Okay. So 12 into minus 15 is minus 180, and 112 minus 15 or 85 plus 12 जो भी आप करना चाहो. Sorry. Wait. This is minus 15. Okay. That's 97, right? In both of these cases, it's 97. Yes, it's 97 in both the cases. Yes. Okay, now what do we do? Yes, a lot of you have got it correct. What do we do? Hardik, I am answering your question now. Why do we only borrow 1? That's what you asked, right? अब यहाँ 1 borrow करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. See, when you borrow 1 from here, that is 100. 100 में से 180 minus करोगे वो फिर से negative रह जाएगा. Right? You can borrow 2 from here. This will become 95. Okay. अब ये 2 borrow किया है, that's 200. 200 minus 180 is 20. That's my answer. Okay. Yes. Urvashi, Chaitanya, Srishti, you got it correct. Sanchit, Anchit, सबका correct answer है. Paramveer, your answer is slightly wrong. Correct. बाकी सबका correct answer है. I hope you understood this. Prableen, yes, you got it correct. Pranav Agarwal, yes, you got it correct. Good. Rachit, correct. Rachit, now I'll answer one question that you had asked me earlier. तुमने भी एक question पूछा था, मैं भी answer कर रहा हूँ उस चीज को. Look at this, Rachit. we could have done something here also कि किसी ने मेरे से पूछा नहीं यहाँ पे कि हम 3 डिजिट आते हैं तो कैरी करते हैं, we could have carried also. तो अगर कैरी करते तो -1 कैरी होता, अब रचित अब +1 कैरी नहीं होता, अब -1 कैरी होता, दिस वुड हैव बिकम 96. अब पीछे क्या रह गया 80, लेकिन वो -80 बचा है क्योंकि 180 पूरा का पूरा नेगेटिव है. अगर तुम -1 ले भी जाओगे तो ऐसा नहीं कि नेगेटिव खत्म हो गया है, -80 नेगेटिव ही है, इट विल बी नेगेटिव ओनली. नाउ यू कैन बोरो 1 फ्रॉम हियर, दिस विल बिकम 95. अब वो 1 में से 80 माइनस 100 में से 80 माइनस करोगे तो 20 आ जाएगा. दैट केस आल्सो यू गेट द सेम आंसर. इट कैन बी सॉल्व्ड इन एनी वे. ओके ओके रचित. ओके या गुड गुड गुड. Yes, Rachit, yes, Krishna, yes, it depends on the negative number, correct. Mithali, about 15 minutes more. Okay, so there are 38 attendees now. I guess Sameep has left, he told me. Who else is not here? Two of the people have left. Sameep had told me. Somebody else probably missed the class. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me give you another question. If you understood this, please solve 85 into 115 for me. 85 into 115. Please solve this. 85 multiplied by 115. Guys, we'll round it up in a few minutes. So let's finish this up. At least we'll finish up the 3-digit multiplications. Okay, I'm getting a lot of answers. Tanvi Sharma, 9775, correct. Smriti Malhotra, that's correct. 9775. Gursimran, correct. Shweta, correct. Kashish, correct. Chaitanya, Stuti, Chahat, Priyanshu, Kashish, Urvashi, Hardik, Rachit, Prableen, Avneet, Anuj, Srishti, Paramveer, Anchit, Sanchit, all of you have got it correct. Stuti Sharma, when will we borrow 2 from tens place and not in hundreds place? No, we did not borrow 2 from tens place. We borrowed 2 from hundreds place only. Okay, Stuti, I'll repeat it for you. Okay, I'm solving this for you. 85 is actually -15 and 115 is actually +15. What is -15 into +15? It's -225, guys. 85 plus 15 is 100. अब यहाँ -225 है, तो यहाँ पे borrow कितना करना पड़ेगा? We'll have to borrow 3 actually. This will become 97. The 3 that we have borrowed is not 3, it is 300. So 300 minus 225 is 75. That's my answer. Okay, got it? I hope all of you have understood this. Oh, okay, Stuti. Okay, Jasnoor, why did we borrow 3 here? See, 225 माइनस करना है तो किस में से करोगे? 100 में से नहीं कर सकते, 200 में से नहीं कर सकते, 300 में से ही करेंगे. Okay. If you understood this, one last part, guys. One last part. Okay, let's move ahead. Stuti, if it is not clear, I'll take it up once I finish the last part. Okay, let's look at the last part. The next and last part is, what if my base changes to 200? Suppose I have to multiply this. What happens now? So we get plus 3 here. We get plus 7 here. What is 3 into 7? It's 21. What is 203 plus 7? It's 210. Okay, 210. Now, it is not the answer because this 210 is to be further multiplied by 2. This is to be further multiplied by 2 because my base is 200 now. Had my base been 300 तो मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करता, 400 होता तो 4 से करता. अब 200 base तो I'll multiply with 2. 210 into 2 becomes 420 and there's a 21 at the end. So it's going to be 42021. Okay, 42021. That's my answer. Got it? Yes, Mehak, that's correct. Sanchit, समझ आ गया आप? संचित, तुम्हारा गलत है आंसर. I hope all of you have understood this. So I would want you to solve one more question. Please solve 205 into 209. Please solve this. Okay, Arshdeep has given the answer. 42845. हार्दिक, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना भूल गए तुम, बाकी सबका करेक्ट आंसर आ रहा है. अर्शदीप इज करेक्ट, चैतन्य करेक्ट, सृष्टि, परमवीर, स्तुति जगी, महक, गुरसिमरन, कृष्ण गोपाल, श्वेता ठाकुर, जसनूर, प्रबलीन, वंशिका सिद्धि, प्रणव अग्रवाल, जगरूप, अंगद, दैट मीन्स जिया, ओके, रचित, समृद्धि, स्तुति जगी, मिताली, प्रियांशु, चाहत, उर्वशी, हार्दिक, अवनीत, all of you have got the correct answers. Sanvi, Anchit, Mitali, Aradhya, Anuj Mittal, Stuti Sharma, all of you got the correct answers. Very good guys, very good. Let me just do last one. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से करेंगे लास्ट वाला. What if I have 212 multiplied by 210? So you have a plus 12 at the end, plus 10 at the end. What is 12 into 10? That's 120. अब ये ध्यान रखना है कि 1 कैरी ओवर होगा. 212 plus 10 is 222. और इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, राइट? There are two things to be done. इसको 1 को ऐड करना है और ये को इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो कौन सा पहले करेंगे? फॉलो बॉडमास. पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट. This becomes 444. Now add up this 1. This will become 44520. Okay, that's the answer. Understood? Avneet, 303 into 207 can also be done using the same base. I'll pick it up in the next class. Yes, Chaitanya, Hardik, Shweta, Pranav, Srishti, Gursimran, Prableen, Aradhya, Urvashi, all of you got it correct. Good. Now the reason why we multiply first and add later is अगर हम पहले add कर देंगे इसमें 222 plus 1 कर देंगे तो जब इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 1 भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, जो हमें नहीं चाहिए. मेरा कैरी ओवर 1 था, 1 ही रहना चाहिए. ओके, यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. व्हाट मस्ट फॉलो करना है. 44520. यस, 44520 इज करेक्ट. मिताली, दैट्स रॉन्ग, तुम्हारा आंसर गलत है. Mehak, this is the last question. Yes, yes. Krishna, you can take the screenshots, not a problem. I hope all of you have understood this. Any doubts in this? If there are any doubts, you can ask me. If there are any doubts, you can ask me before I wrap it up. If there are any doubts, you can raise your hands, you can ask questions. I see 3 hands, Shweta Thakur, Jagrup and Hardik Chopra. If there are any questions, please put them here. Stuti Sharma. Yes, Stuti, what do you want me to repeat? Okay, 112 into 85. Okay. Yes, Paramveer, I'll give you one more question like this. Stuti, I'm giving you 112 into 85, right? I'll do that. So 112 into 85, Stuti is asking me. 112 into 85, I'll solve 112 into 85. So you have plus 12 here, you have minus 15 here. What is 12 into minus 15? It becomes minus 180, right? And 112 minus 15, that's 97. Okay. Now you can, what you can do next, what did I tell you? You need to borrow 1 from here. But borrow 1 करके कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, हम लोग को 2 borrow करना पड़ेगा स्तुति, क्योंकि 180 100 से बड़ा है. So we borrow 2 from here, this becomes 95. This 2 becomes 200. 200 minus 180 is 20. So 9520, that's my answer. Okay, got it? Chalo. Paramveer, you wanted to solve one more question. Solve 213 into 209. ये मुझे जगरूप ने question लिखा है. So I want every one of you to solve this. प्रणव अग्रवाल, correct answer. पिछले question जो भी आपने लिखे हैं उसका हाँ correct answer. प्रणव ये 10520 शायद तुमने गलत लिखा है आंसर. ये 112 into 85 का आंसर नहीं है. That's 9520. I've solved this. Okay. Chaitanya correct. Prableen correct. Kashish, you can't hear me. Kashish, you can't hear me. Kashish, please log out and log in again. Okay, coming to the questions. Urvashi, that's correct. Stutik's understood. Okay. Jagrup. Okay, Avneet, you've got the correct answer. Jagrup, you've got the correct answer. Paramveer, no, that's slight mistake. You forgot to multiply with 2. Hardik, correct. Sanchit, correct. Prableen, correct. Anuj, correct. Chaitanya Nanda, correct. Krishna, Shweta, Gursimran, Angad, Priyanshu, Urvashi, Avishka, Stuti, ये सबके आंसर करेक्ट चल रहे हैं. मैं सही उनके नाम बोल रहा हूँ. स्तुति, तुम्हारा आंसर स्तुति जग्गी. That's 44610, 617. The answer is 44517. Okay. Paramveer, your answer is wrong again. Vanshika, correct. Rachit, there's a slight mistake. Stuti, yes, correct now. Siddhi, correct. Mehak, correct. Stuti Sharma, correct. Sanvi, correct. Jasnoor, Aradhya, Pranav Agarwal, Chahat, सबका correct है. Kashish, I'll repeat this. 44517 correct answer. Srishti, Rachit, correct answer. Okay, I'm solving this now. जिनका गलत है check कर लो. परमवीर का गलत था. परमवीर, please check it. 13, this is 9. 13 into 9 is 104. So what can you write? Okay, 13 into 9 is 117. You can write 17 here and 1 will be carry over. We'll use this one later on. 213 plus 9, it's 222. Into 2 करोगे, that will be 444. अब इसमें 1 carry over add होगा तो बनेगा 445 and 17 at the end. That is the correct answer. Most of you got the correct answer. Okay. Kashish, I'll repeat 112 into 85. Okay, Kashish, please check. So 112, we can write plus 12 here. 85, we can write minus 15 here. What is 12 into minus 15? 12 into minus 15 is minus 180. I've written minus 180 here. So we can keep 80 as such. Okay. Okay, let's just subtract 180 out of a number borrowed from here. तो यहाँ से हमने borrow करना होता है 1 usually. लेकिन in this case I will borrow 2 because 1 borrow करके फायदा नहीं है कशिश, because 1 में से 180 में माइनस नहीं कर पाऊंगा, वो फिर से नेगेटिव रह जाएगा. So I'll borrow 2 from here. When I borrow 2 from here, that is actually 200. So that 200 minus 180 gives me 20. I've written 20 at the end. और 97 में से 2 borrow कर लिया था तो बचा 95. That becomes 95/20. Okay. I hope this is correct, Kashish. You've understood this, Kashish. Please mention if you understood this. Krishna, I'll take this up next time if there's a base of 200 and 100. Avneet also had asked the same question. I'll take it up tomorrow. I hope all of you have understood whatever we've done today. Okay. And if at all any problem, then please ask me. If there's any problem, please ask me. I still see 3 hands: Krishna, Gopal, Jagrup, and Hardik. Any doubts? Hardik, the same way that I had told 119 square also, no? You need to know 19 square. What is 19 square? 361. You need to know that. आराध्या, कल भी मैथ्स करेंगे? नहीं, कल आप रीजनिंग करोगे एंड इंग्लिश करोगे. Okay, Urvashi, some questions to do. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do now is, मैं अभी क्वेश्चन कुछ लिखवा रहा हूँ. You write those questions. Apart from that, I'll create a sheet. I'll create a sheet of questions and I'll send it to you all on your email IDs. Okay, just meet. These are 2 different bases. I'll take it up in the next class. Okay, I hope everything is understood. Let me give you some questions on the basis of what we've done today. Please write down these questions so that you can solve them. Find out the square of 84. Find out 87 multiplied by 98. 97 multiplied by 115. 207 multiplied by 215. 302 multiplied by 307. Square of 213. 115 into 118. 196, 205. 307 square. 98 square. Okay. So write down these questions and you can solve this. Okay, Rachit, I'll do that. Not a problem. Hardik, your hand has been raised. Is there any question? Okay, हटा लिया हाथ हार्दिक ने. Any other question? Anybody? I hope you've understood this, all of you. जितना हमने आज किया है, I hope you've understood this. If it is a yes, please you can write to yes. If there's any doubt, you can write that you've not understood something. Okay, Shweta, good. Srishti, understood, yes. I see a lot of yeses. Okay, Avneet, Stuti, Siddhi, Jisnoor. Yes, good. Thank you, Jagrup. Thank you so much. Guys, I hope this mode is understandable until this crisis is going on. We can probably beat Corona at our home only. Good, Shweta. And there's an advantage also. Guys, there's an advantage that these sessions will get recorded also, that so that we can attend them later on also in case we have a problem. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. If anybody wants to speak anything, I can unmute their mic also. Hardik, other than base method, it is going to be very lengthy. Other than base method, it is very lengthy. Good, good. And guys, I'm also upgrading the Wi-Fi a little bit, so probably it'll be more smoother experience in the upcoming classes. Okay. I hope all of you have understood this. Let's try this also if somebody wants to speak something. I have unmuted Rachit's mic. Rachit, can you please speak something?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
yes, I can hear you now.
today's session was really good. I was really looking forward to doing this Vedic mathematics class because I really need it.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I guess it is convenient to all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good. Thank you, Rachit. I am muting your mic again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So guys, for tomorrow also, what we'll do, I'll send the similar kind of link again. You can join the webinar. Tentative, we'll keep the timings from 12 to 4 rather than 4 to 6 today. I kept it 4 today because there were a lot of people who did not know about this class today. So I had to accommodate all of them. Okay, great, Hardik. I'm happy that you found it more convenient. Good, good. Thank you. So we'll meet tomorrow, guys. I'll send you the link and everything in the email only. And I would again request you'll get a feedback option also. You give a feedback and please give me your feedbacks on WhatsApp also. Right? In case there's any problem, any doubt, I am just one call, one message away. Just get in touch with me. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you, Urvashi. Thank you, all of you. So we'll disperse now. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Yes, Hardik. Yes, we'll do that. We'll try that also, Hardik. Okay, guys. Thank you so much.